Hey everyone, what's up guys? How are you guys doing? Okay guys, so you're welcome back to today's video and you're welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, so in today's video I'm gonna be showing you a very helpful drink in case you're actually having some painful eyes, and if you're actually experiencing short-sightedness, you can't actually read far away or you can't drive seeing very far. This ingredient today, is gonna help you to at least reverse that, and it's actually not something you have to take just once and expect like the result. Woof, it's not a miracle, it's natural. All of the ingredients in here are natural, and you have to give it a try again and again. And trust me guys, this is an amazing ingredient that would help you for your painful eye and your short-sightedness. Yeah, so let me take you right into this video. Do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share this video, and let's go. Okay guys, so are you experiencing those painful eyes, and you are the categories of people who have short-sightedness? Okay, do not worry, because I got a drink for you that is gonna make your eyes painless, no pain, and you're literally gonna be reading from afar, or you're literally gonna be driving and seeing very far. Okay, so the very first ingredient we're gonna be using for this is gonna be this, and this is sweet potato. Now when it comes to the eyesight guys, sweet potato is an amazing ingredient that helps to repair your painful eyes and your short-sightedness. Okay, so you can actually get sweet potato in a local market. I got mine in a local market. All right, just like the name denotes, sweet potato, it is actually sweet, yeah, and it is an healthy food. Africans mostly eat sweet potato, yeah, and this is what you're gonna do. When you get a sweet potato, you'd have to peel it just like what I'm doing right now. Now in the northern part of Africa, yeah, in the northern part of Nigeria, basically, they actually eat this sweet potato raw like this, and it's actually very good for their eyesight. All right, so after which you've peeled it up like this, then you cut it into pieces. It's not going to be an easy job cutting this into pieces. Okay guys, so after which you've cut it into pieces, then you can wash this all out. Now after which that is done, we're going to take it into the kitchen, cook it for about 5 minutes, and let the potato get done. Now when your potato is done and ready, this is how it's going to look like. The color is going to change a little, just like this. It's going to be yellowish in nature, and now is the time for us to get a blender. Now you can actually do this as a smoothie or as a juice, or you can just slice the sweet potato and then you just eat it up with your onion sauce. Okay guys, so I'm actually going to be keeping this aside because I'm going to be getting a juice that would enable me to blend the sweet potato. So after that is done, I'm gonna be needing to use onion. Now when it comes to the eye guys, you have to take onion. Now this is a perfect way of taking onion for your painful and short-sightedness. You have to take onion raw, and it has to be red onion in particular. It has to be red onion, and this red onion contains a whole lot of ingredients that helps to strengthen the eye nerves. It calms the redness of the eye, and it also increases your sightness. So I got this half cut of onion. That is what we're going to be working with. Alright guys, so after peeling this all up, you'd have to sanitize it, wash it up, okay, and then we'll have to be cutting this. Now when you're cutting your red onion, you have to take your eyes away, like it's actually gonna get into your eyes directly and you're gonna be crying, literally, like not like crying, but of course there's gonna be tears dropping from your eyes. Okay, so after doing that, I'm gonna be grabbing my blender, turning this red onion into my blender, and then put a little water, cover it up, and then we blend it. Strong. Okay guys, so this is our onion juice. It's all ready and set. So we're gonna be getting a strainer to get the juice out of this. Okay guys, so this is my onion juice, well prepared, and have to be grabbing my sweet potato and then putting the onion juice, blend it. After that is done guys, this is how it's going to be looking. Yup, it's gonna be looking yellowish because of the sweet potato color. And then we're gonna be turning this smooth juice into this cup. And that is not all guys, we're also going to be making use of carrot. Now when it comes to carrot, it contains a beta carotene and it helps for the eyesight. Now if you're so used to eating carrots, you know, snacking with carrots all and then, you're not going to be having any problems with your eyesight. Yeah, your eyesight is going to be very sharp, white, painless, and you're not going to be having short-sightedness. Okay, so after it in 2 pieces. Okay, then I'll turn it into my blender. Keep that aside. We're equally going to be making use of this, and this is beetroot. Beetroot is actually a fruit that helps so much when it comes to cleaning the blood, when it comes to, you know, keeping you away from sickness, when it comes to the eyesight. It helps so freaking much. So you're gonna be needing this a whole lot for this drink guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be taking just half cut of this, and then we're gonna peel it up. Now have you tried using beetroot onto your skin? Have you seen how it glows and nourish up your skin? I'm going to be coming up with that particular video and showing you how you can actually use beetroot on your skin. Alright guys, so after that's done, then you have to cut the beetroot into pieces. I'm going to grab my water and then clean it up. And I put it into a blender in which I have the carrot. Put in just a little water. Now is now time to blend. I would have to be getting a bowl and then sieving this out. Yeah. So this is my beetroot plus carrot juice. This is an amazing eyesight problem. Okay, now I'll grab my other juice and then turn this into it. Now it changes the color and make the color superb. Okay guys, so if you're having painfulness of eyes, redness of eyes, short-sightedness, and problem literally on your eye or in your eye, and you need to clear that up and have, you know, your eye, you know, popping and all, guys, go drink this. Now you can drink this at least 3 times to 4 times in a week, okay? And then this is going to help you a whole lot. It's also going to help to clean your blood because of the beetroot and leave you healthy, and you're going to be enjoying your life literally. So go try this juice out on your short-sightedness and your painful eyes, and you're not going to regret it. So you can drink this, just like I earlier said, you can drink this 3 times in a week or 4 times in a week, okay? And then you're good. Now if you don't want to actually put the sweet potato in here, you can actually make the sweet potato and take it every day to get rid of short-sightedness, okay? And then some little eye problems here and there, okay? So that's it. Go give this a go. So that's it. It is an amazing drink, and I am very sure it's going to help you in terms of, you know, your painful and short-sightedness, okay? You can at least start reading, you know, even if you're at the back of your class or your conference or wherever, okay, and you're driving, literally this is actually going to help you a whole lot. So go give this a try, and I'm very sure that it's going to be helpful. And yeah, okay, so if you do love it, do not forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I'll see you again in my next video. Bye guys.